Hey guys, welcome back to Silent Store channel. In this video, I will show you how to make own hosting with all setup panel plus theme plus wing. Join my Discord for code I will upload there in YT Alert channel. So first, open idx.google.com, link in description. After that, click on import a repo, put the repo link and tick mobile SDX. After import a, click on 3-line and terminal and click on new terminal and paste the VPS install command. After that, select two IDX VPS tools setup. After that, click on take me there and rebuild environment. After that, paste same CMD and select 3 IDX VPS maker and select 1 create VPS and select Debian 13. Yeah, another that you want. Put name and hosting name. No need enter after that. Put username, you have to per root, don't change. Username after that, put pass. When you will write, it will not look, but it is writing there after that. In disk, 20 gigabytes default. In memory, 32 gigabytes and 8 core, and enter and again enter and again enter. And after that, wait for some time, it will install VPS after installing. Select 2 to start VPS and 1 to select VPS. After that, it will set up VPS and start the VPS. It will take like 2 to 5 minutes. So wait. After starting VPS, you have to log in. So put username and pass that you put. After that, clear and copy pro retro panel command and paste, and enter. After that, write 52 set up Cloudflare. Go to Cloudflare and go to Zero Trust and Network and Connector. In that add tunnel, put name of tunnel and select Debian and go down and copy the command. After copying, go to IDX again and paste and enter. You can see it showing connected. Now time to set up Tailscale. So type 7 and after that it will install. After installing, he will give link, open link and log in with Google and click on connect. After 10 sec, it will automatically connect after connecting. Go to Cloudflare and next and put subdomain like panel. After that, select domain, go down and service type. HTTPS and in URL, go to Tailscale and click on your VPS and click on machine setting and click on disable key, expire and copy URL. Like my is 100.73.230.48. After that, paste in Cloudflare and click on additional setting and go to TSL and on no TLS verify, and after that go to IDX again and select panel, install for that, type 1, and after that put your published application routes. Like my is panel.silentbot.dpdns.org. After copying, paste there. After pasting, it will install panel. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes. So wait. After installing, they will ask you, want to add admin? Yes, no. You to have select yes and put email after that username, after that first and last name, after that put password of your admin panel. And there we go, our panel is ready. After that, open your panel, put your username and pass. After that, you can see panel is ready. Now, time for node. So first add location. So go to location and new. Create and put in short. Like for India low action, I will put IN. After that, go to node and create new and put node name and all details. After putting, we have to put in fully qualified domain name U. We have to put a new published application. Routes to create, come in zero trust. Open your tunnel, go to published application. Routes after that, click on add new and put subdomain wings, select domain. After that, type HTTPS. After URL, you can copy from Tailscale. After copying, add 8080. Like my 100.73.230.48, and if I will add 8080, it will become 100.73.23048 to 8080. After that, go to additional application setting and go to TLS, and on no TLS, verify and save. After saving, copy that published application routes. After that, paste in fully qualified domain name, I mean new wing domain. After that, after creating, open that node and open configuration and go to IDX and put panel install CMD and select wing and wait for some time. After that, do Y. After that, we have to put UUID to get go panel and node and configuration in second you will see. Copy that. After that, put token ID and token and put remote to get go to configuration in down. You will see remote link, paste. After that, your panel and node will be ready, and wings after we will install theme, so use same CMD again. Select 4 blueprint plus theme plus extensions and do this same process. Here and open app.remote.it and open and do the same process. Now your everything is ready. VPS, panel plus theme, wings, nodes plus location. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Credit to Jishnu Tech.